Advertencia. Este canal de lucha libre es solo para entretener al espectador. Favor de no imitar a los luchadores ni lo intenten en casa, escuela ni en ningún tipo de lugar. Se recomienda discreción.
JetX! Power and glory, crashing through the night. Pins and slams under the blinding light. No mercy given, no holding back. In the heat of the ring, the world fades to black. Masks and capes, fists collide in air. They're flying high without a care. Ropes and ladders, weapons of their trade. The ground shakes with the moves they've made. Power and glory, crashing through the night. Pins and slams under the blinding light. No mercy given, no holding back. In the heat of the ring, the world fades to black.
It's showtime! Get ready, fighters!
Gritos y saltos, el público alienta. El golpe al suelo, el corazón aumenta.
As we get underway, I'm expecting a hard-fought match between these two superstars. The first one to make a mistake could fail. It seems to me like Berman is ready for what will likely be an amazing match. Finds a way to reverse. Right to the gut. This has been a colossal battle to this point. No superstar is showing signs of backing down.
We are seeing all their best on display, but it might just come down to who can take advantage of a pivotal mistake.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
God. Enough already. Proving tough to catch.
Oh, nasty elbow. Another one. Uh-oh. Look at this.
Oh, he's right. This looks like the setup, too. Gonna have a tummy ache after that gut buster. See ya. Thanks for coming. Listen to this place. It's unreal.
The decibel level in here right now is breaking glass. These fans are on fire.
An incredible combination. He's getting pushed onto the defensive.
He's lost much of his early confidence.
Kick to the gut. And, oh, brutal forearm. Turning the momentum to his favor.
This could be his moment.
Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are being entertained tonight. Boom, what impact! Running knee! Oh, the discus clothesline! Took their head off. Backbreaker. Backbreaker. Stomping. Oh, what a counter. Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
He's trying again.
Gonna have a tummy ache after that gut buster.
He could pin his opponent right here. And he got a near fall out of it.
There is no quit in this man tonight.
What a crash. This match grinded him down a little.
Yeah, but he's not breathing heavy yet.
Lightning fast reflexes.
Oh, what a slam. There's not a single person sitting in this arena.
It's pandemonium, Cole.
And he's heading back in. And it looks like this one's going out to the floor.
He's going back to the well. Gonna have a tummy ache after that go. And the cover for the win. 1, 2.
Wow, I can't believe he had the energy to kick out of that.
Amazing.
What a headbutt. Vicious.
Oh, nasty elbow.
Another one. Oh, with a big boot.
On the mark.
Oh, and a discus clothesline.
Took their head off.
Are we about to see it again? Gonna have a tummy ache after that gut buster. He can end it here.
He's got him.
1, 2.
And he gets the fall early in the match.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
He's fighting hard and it's paying off.
He is getting fired up here.
He's stuck in the corner now.
Oh, nasty impact. Just ruthless.
Right to the gut.
Oof. Textbook vertical suplex. Bam.
He got out of the way.
Here it comes.
Choke slam.
Will that be it?
Shoulders down. This could be it.
1, 2, 3.
He did what he set out to do, and that was win. These guys were awesome. Let's take another look.
Here is your winner, the Punisher, Gray.
Big win here, guys.
If you didn't believe this guy before, there's no reason not to now. Not after that performance.
As we close the book on this match, I need to remind everybody just how big of a win this was. Simply amazing.